Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing another clean with me video. This is a clean with me after Christmas. Christmas is over and I am so ready to pack up all of the decorations and get my house nice and cleaned up. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, I would love to say welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope this video brings you a ton of cleaning motivation, and I do hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I post weekly videos, and you are not going to want to miss any of those, so make sure you are subscribed. Make sure that notification bell is turned on, and I hope you guys all enjoy the video. Oh, I will hold you in the dark. So before I start taking any Christmas decorations down, I have a huge mess in my kitchen to clean up. I host Christmas brunch every year and we had a few people over and the kitchen was a disaster. So that's what I am going to do first, is just get the kitchen cleaned up, the food put away, and then I will start taking everything down. I have a fully loaded dishwasher and it is running right now. I am just going to finish up these dishes by hand washing them myself, and I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap, and this is in the Snowdrop scent. I really want to get everything cleaned up and put away and just out of my way when I start cleaning, because I will be taking everything off the countertops and doing a really good clean in here. What's wrong? Let it all out of me.
Got that feeling in your arms and knees, the kind of feeling where you simply freeze. Don't you worry, let me throw you up, 'cause I think I know where you always stuck.
today I will be wiping my countertops and table down with this brand called Everspring, and this is in a peppermint clove scent, and it is an all-purpose cleaner. I absolutely love it, and it smells amazing.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm.
So since the weather is still pretty cold, I do want to keep this a hot cocoa area for my kids, and I figured that the cookie jar idea was excellent to hide the packets of hot chocolate. So I just brought out one of my old cookie jars, and I am just placing all of my hot cocoa packets in there. And the more I look at this chicken, I want to paint her white, and I will probably end up doing that today, but yeah, that's what I did. I just put all the hot cocoa packets in that cookie jar, that way they are nicely hidden. So now I'm just going to walk around throughout my kitchen area and just take down all of the Christmas decor. I ended up taking down everything that was in my family room as well, and I do believe that the only things that I do still have left up are the Christmas trees, and I will be doing that today. I really want to just get everything put away, everything nicely cleaned, so I can have a little bit of a breather. I will be decorating for springtime. I want to say the end of February, but I do plan on doing another cozy home tour before I do that.
The things I never did, but I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you. I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my within. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around. Whenever you're around. Whenever you're around, yeah.
So once I have my countertops all nice and clean, I'm going to clean out my sink, and I will be using the soft scrub cleanser to do that. I also add a little bit of Dawn dish soap to that as well.
Down by the sea, at the edge of the water, the coming waves kiss my feet. The touch from the warm wind that's blowing in.
So once I have my sink all nice and clean, I'm just going to be dropping down one of these lemon scented planks. It just helps deodorize and freshen up your garbage disposal, and it really truly smells so incredibly good. And I love doing this every time I clean out my sink. It just makes everything smell really nice and fresh.
It's alright, and that it will be fine in the end. wash away the pain. The devil spread on my neck, but the touch from the warm wind is blowing in, is keeping me
So now that I have the floors all vacuumed, I'm just going to take my Swiffer mop and just go throughout my kitchen and just mop up the main traffic areas. And the mop pad that I will be using is in a lavender vanilla scent.
and that it will be fine in the end. In the end. In the end.
So now that everything is all nice and clean in this kitchen, I am just going to light a candle. This is a cucumber lily candle by Bath & Body Works, and it just has a really fresh, clean scent to it. It's not too overpowering, and it feels so nice in here to have the decorations put away and a good, nice, clean kitchen before I go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. See you in the next one. Bye!